Norgay. Yes! Good! We did it. Thank you guys. So all the new subscribers from Danny Z's channel, welcome. My name is Ray from Noir.TM. I'm just gonna jump straight into it. If I get pulled over right now, the contents of my car will have a cop very concerned. We got White Wolf or Driven 17. I'm not sure what he's changing his YouTube name to, but he's changing it. I got my fiance, baby girl, and a brick, and some other stuff like tape and other stuff hidden under that bag. Why the hell do you need a brick, tape, and other random things under a bag? Because I'm kidnapping somebody. So that being said, when I was chilling with Danny, man, and Brian, I realized, dude, you know, from his video, I was like, dude, my car is way too loud, way too loud. But how loud is it? So let's find out. The only way we can ever find out is just by doing. So you know what we about to do. Let's roll out. I'm gonna go to a secret hidden spot that just got built in my area. Not Mexico today, but something close to it. And let's just have some fun, baby. I'm not gonna lie, that boy, I'm not a fan of Mustangs like that, you get me? Like, I would never buy one, but damn, I'm not gonna lie, that boy's Mustang looks sick, bro. Too bad it's like stupid loud though. Like, if I thought my car was loud, his, dude, Norgang, his is like 3 times louder. This new spot, hopefully you won't get kicked out, man. Yo, you guys are weenies, bro.
It's hot as balls outside.
Who cares, bro?
AC.
I'm finally at the spot. So let's find out how loud my car is. So I brought a couple of things to kind of find out. And I need to unlock my car. Things I need. A brick. You might know where this is going already. This doesn't have to do with how loud your car is, but I just wanted to see if my car can do it. It has nothing to do with anything, but can I do it? I saw Cletus do this once with the Supra. So I got tape and a glass. Can I break this glass? I don't know, but I don't think so, but I really hope so. Okay. All right, so I think that's secure. Dude, look how much they backed up. Because my car, it didn't show off well in Danny's video, but my car can shoot flames pretty nasty. But I also need to warm it up. So, can I break this glass? I really hope so, because if not, it's gonna be really embarrassing. Hopefully that's not too close, but yeah. Or maybe I should back it up a bit. Yeah. Okay. All right, Norgang, we're getting ready. I wanted to have a point of view, because honestly, I don't know when this thing, or if it's gonna break, if it's gonna even happen, but we out here, baby. I got my Capri Sun, check. Car's on, check. Let's see. I mean, I hope so, because if not, this will be mighty awkward if I don't do it. Let me just double check. Let me double check. What the fuck? No, I didn't do it. Let me, Okay, try one. Big fail, giant fail. Let's give it a try again. All right, all right. All right, AC off. Let's do this. All right. I don't think it did it. I don't think it did it. Oh my. Oh man, come on, bro. Damn, didn't even. Huh? Hold up. Do you want to try?
Yes.
Oh, hell yeah, bro. What? Dude, that's the spirit. That's what I'm talking about. We out here, baby. Oh, okay, let me get away, though, because it's still a Mustang. Oh, snap. Okay. All right.
Don't have to break.
Avenge me, my son, okay? All right.
Ready?
All right, go. Wait. I don't want to be anywhere near this car when it's doing it. Hold on. All right, go. Dude, it didn't break. Yo, look at it. Oh man, look, I told you it's right there, bro. Damn.
Grab it.
Just go smash it, bro. Smash it. That's right. The actual part of the video, I have to do the decibel reader. I want to see what yours puts down also. All right, whatever. All right, so now the actual part. Let's see how loud my car actually is. It was pretty mind-blowing how loud my car was. I was surprised that it was like that in video. I got the decibel reader up now. Yes. I got to figure out how I'm going to aim this. I'm going to just put it like facing the camera. It might not be super accurate, but better than nothing, you know? I have no idea how loud that was, but we gonna find out. You ready for this, bro?
Yeah, bro.
You better not let me outshine you, dog. All right, I'm gonna go balls deep and hold on to it. So, oh God, all right, oh God, oh my ears. What the? You keep stalling out. Okay, I'm just gonna stand from here because I know it's gonna be super loud, bro. I have to hold it. I'm not putting it next to these.
You're not gonna get the right decimal.
Man, it's gonna be right enough, bro. You're crazy.
Get close to the bumper.
Okay. All right, go. Go. Oh my God. It was 97. 97. You're weak. You're weak.
No.
Hey, let's get the hell out of here before the cops come. Okay. Oh my God. Ooh. Let that AC just go through to my soul. Oh my God. Oh my God. My car is a lot louder than I expected, man. There's only one way to put it to the true test. You know what we gotta do, pool, baby? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, it's not that serious. Let's do it. All right. So much. I had like a moment of like, I didn't even say anything. Like, oh, we gotta get back home before we get in big trouble. I'm not gonna lie, that was such a fail.
Yeah.
That was such a fail.
What's my highest decimal?
It was 97. I wasn't close enough. That was the problem. But whatever. Man, Noir gang. Oh my God. I just wanted to do this video. What's with that face? Huh? So like I said, I keep saying it over and over and over. Bye. Dude, I was just so shocked that my car was that loud, and I kind of just wanted to find out how loud it was. Hopefully the decibel reader is actually legit, which it doesn't seem that way, because if Felipe's was at 97, brother, mine was probably like a mosquito passing by. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for 1,000 subs. Like, yo, you guys don't understand. This means that now we're moving towards getting monetized, and I can move to bigger things, and I even have a second car that hopefully we can pick up next week. There is a lot, and you guys are gonna love this. I've been talking about it for a while. It might be happening, so I'm gonna keep you guys on the loop. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram, because you guys are the ones that get like all the secret details first. So, and believe me, the car will be posted most likely there first. But thank you guys for watching. I love you. Give me a kiss.